the observer, and the market. In quantum physics, there is a principle known as the observer effect. It suggests that particles behave differently when they are being observed. The act of observation itself influences the outcome. Trading works in a similar way, not because the market is conscious, but because you are. Every thought, expectation, and emotional reaction changes how you engage with price. Today, we'll explore how the observer effect applies to day trading and how learning to observe without interference can radically improve your execution. What the observer effect really means. At the quantum level, particles exist as probabilities until measured. Once observed, potential collapses into a single outcome. In trading, price also represents potential. Until you engage with it, nothing is fixed. Your observation determines when you enter, how long you hold. How you interpret movement. When you exit, two traders can observe the same price action. One becomes emotional, the other remains calm. The difference is not skill, it is quality of observation. Attachment distorts. Observation becomes distorted when attachment enters the picture. Attachment looks like needing a trade to win, trying to recover a loss, wanting to prove yourself, expecting the market to behave a certain way. When you are attached, you are no longer observing, you are projecting. You begin to see what you want to see, not what is actually there. This is when traders enter too early, ignore invalidation, hold losers too long, exit winners too soon. Attachment collapses chaotic outcomes. The power of neutral observation. Neutral observation means watching price without expectation, letting setups come to you, allowing confirmation to form, accepting any outcome. Neutrality sharpens perception. When emotion drops, clarity rises. The market feels slower, patterns become obvious, decisions feel clean. This is the state professional traders operate from, whether they realize it or not. Your inner commentary shapes the trade. Your internal dialogue influences how you trade. Phrases like, "I hope this works," "I can't afford another loss," "This has to go my way." These thoughts load observation with emotional charge. Emotion narrows perception. Replace commentary with observation. Price is approaching my level. Structure is intact. Risk is defined. The more neutral your inner language, the cleaner your execution becomes. Practicing observation without interference. Before entering a trade, pause. Notice your breathing body tension. Mental urgency. If you feel tension, step back. Ask, am I observing or trying to control? Let price confirm before committing. When observation leads, execution follows naturally. Losses and the observer. Effect losses only become destructive when they alter how you observe. If a loss creates fear, you begin trading defensively. If a loss creates anger, you trade aggressively. Neutral traders process losses as information, not identity. They observe the result, learn, and return to neutrality. Master the observer. The market does not reward prediction, it rewards presence. When you observe without attachment, you collapse the most aligned outcomes. Trading mastery is not about control, it is about clarity. Observe calmly, execute cleanly, release outcomes. This is quantum trading frequency.